In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a task to a subtask in Wrike. If you're looking to better organize your tasks or to add more structure to your workflow, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll be walking through a simple process step by step, so you can easily follow along and implement these changes in your own Wrike setup. Let's start by logging into your Wrike account. When you open Wrike, you'll be greeted with the login page. Here you'll see several login options. To make things easy, click on the option to log in using Google. This will prompt you to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you pick the one associated with your Wrike setup. This login method is straightforward and secure, providing quick access to your workspace without needing to enter any additional credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the task list in your workspace. You'll notice each task has 6 tiny dots next to it. This is your entry point to reorganize your tasks. Hover over these dots with your cursor to prepare for the next step. It's essential to know that these dots are essentially a handle that allows you to click and drag tasks, which we'll be doing shortly. Now comes the crucial part, dragging and dropping. Click on the 6-dot icon next to your task, and while keeping the mouse button pressed, drag the task downwards. Your goal here is to position it beneath your desired main task, creating a subtask. This intuitive drag and drop method lets you easily nest tasks, giving you more flexibility in arranging your work. As you release the mouse button, Wrike automatically converts the chosen task into a subtask of the one you dragged it under. This visual move instantly reflects in your project structure, making it a breeze to manage complex workflows. Seeing your tasks organized as a hierarchy of items and sub-items can help bring clarity to any project, breaking it down into manageable parts. Understanding how to leverage this feature will surely assist in maintaining a neater and more efficient workspace. In summary, by logging in and using the intuitive drag and drop method, you're able to restructure your task list efficiently and effectively, ensuring everything is in its proper place. Whether you're restructuring a project or assigning responsibilities, converting tasks to subtasks in Wrike is straightforward and helps you streamline your processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy organizing, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.